Namaste, I am Akriti Chetri from class 10 and I am your news reader for today's news. Today's news headlines are as follows. On 5th June 2024, World Environment Day was celebrated. On 8th June 2024, nature walk conducted by Government Senior Secondary School Mamring under the banner Mission Life. Short message from Mrs. Chiring Diki Bhutia, Vice Principal. DIY on making scrunchies. School examination is going to start from 13th June 2024 from nursery to class 12. Now news in details. Government Senior Secondary School Mamring celebrated Environment Day with great enthusiasm on 5th June under the theme Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience in collaboration with 69 Battalion Sasastra Seema Bal SSB Tarethang, Pakyong. This event was graced by Chief Guest Mr. Ruplal Subba, Superintendent Engineer, Power Department Pakyong, and Guest of Honor Mr. Amrit Singh, Commandant Officer 69 Battalion SSB Tarethang. Special guests included Mr. Yanindra Adhikari, DE Power Department Pakyong, and Ms. B.K. Rasaili, Panchayat Vice President Amba GPU. The Social Science Club organized an exhibition showcasing model and project, with prize awarded to the best from each classes. Students from class 6 to 12 along with Sanitation Club, Math and Science Club and primary section students displayed their crafts. Additionally, Commerce and IT section ran food stalls while junior section showcased organic vegetables. The celebration featured a plantation drive around the school with members of the school Mamring committee, the principal, teachers and non-teaching staffs, SSB personnel and students planting various saplings and pledged to nurture them. Students also performed a play on environmental conservation to raise awareness. Lecturers and students from SRM University Gangtok joined the event presenting cultural performance and an environmental theme skit. They also participated in the plantation drive. The event concluded with a strong message on environmental stewardship, inspiring the young minds present.
Scene 6. Vikas goes running to Sahil and Vinod while they are cutting the tree.
Under the mission Life initiative, Government Senior Secondary School Mamring organized a nature walk from Yakten village to Jhandidara. This event aimed to instill a sense of responsibility and environmental awareness among students regarding the region's flora and natural habitats. This objective include fostering appreciation for the local environment, promoting conservation efforts, and encouraging active participation in preserving natural ecosystem. Through first-hand experience, students were encouraged to develop a deeper connection with nature and understand the importance of sustainable practices in safeguard the environment for the future generation. Chirindiki Bhutia, Vice Principal, extended her heartfelt gratitude for the successful celebration of World Environment Day. She commends the collective effort that contributed to its resounding success and emphasized the importance of continued dedication to environmental stewardship.
5th of June 2024, our school celebrated World Environment Day in collaboration with this SSB 69 Battalion Tarethan. And on that day we had several activities, like we had kept this thing exhibition also, social science model exhibition. Then we had like items made out of waste, right? Then eco-friendly items were also there, and all those were prepared by our students. Then to entertain the guests and the visitors, we had food stalls as well as organic vegetable stalls also. And the main important activity of that day was plantation drive. In and around our school premises, almost like more than 200 saplings were planted, and along with the vow that we are going to protect it for forever. Then in between, our program was also joined by SRM University's lecturers and students also. They also they created awareness about the burning environmental problems. They also had a kind of play out here. They also participated in plantation drive. So overall it was a very successful program for us. From this kind of program, definitely our students will learn many things, like the sense of belonging, as well as they also the kind of being responsible, that is towards our environment. Definitely they will learn.
Today's news features a new edition, a DIY project presented by Ms. Ansana Rizal, NSS Prefect, demonstrating how to make a scrunchies using waste clothes. This innovative initiative promotes sustainability and creativity, encourage resourcefulness among students.
Today we are going to make scrunchies out of waste.
Materials required for making a scrunchie are a piece of cloth, a thread, a needle, and a rubber band. Now we'll fold the cloth and stitch it. Now we'll put this rubber band inside the scrunchie. Our scrunchie is ready.
The first term examination will start from 13 June from nursery to class 12. The school is prepared for the smooth conducting of the upcoming examination. The principal and staff of school convey their heartfelt best wishes to all students through this platform for a successful examination period. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for next news updates. Thank you.